From CFO Knives. Just want to show you guys the new 2016 contoured handle Ultatechs. We have the first one here is a 121-1 TCC. It's just a standard singled edge. Again, it has the contoured handles, all black hardware. Next, we have a 123-1 TCC, which is a tanto blade. This is a 122-3 TCC, which has a full serrate on one side. Then we have a 122-1 TCC, which is just a double edge standard blade. Again, they all come with black hardware and the contoured handles. Just something new that Microtech is doing. And I just wanted to do a side-by-side comparison to the Tri-Grip Ultratech. They're basically the same exact knife. The only difference is one has the contoured handles and the other one is just a Tri-Grip. One's smooth, one has Tri-Grip. And I also have here an original Ultatech, which again, it's the same chassis, it just doesn't have the contour handle. And also the original one have different glass breakers on them. Again, I just wanted to show you what they came out with. If you have any questions, you can go to our contact page. I'll be more than happy to answer them. The website's name is cfoknives.com. Again, if you're interested in buying any or have any just general questions, just let me know. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.